How anxiety affects libido and emotional connection. Anxiety doesn't just affect your thoughts, it affects your body, your desire, and your relationships. If you've noticed changes in libido or emotional closeness during stressful periods, you're not alone. Let's talk about how anxiety affects intimacy and what can help. Number 1, anxiety keeps the body in survival mode. When anxiety is high, your nervous system shifts into fight or flight. Stress hormones like cortisol rise. In this state, your body prioritizes safety over pleasure. Libido naturally decreases because intimacy requires relaxation, and anxiety makes relaxation difficult. Number 2, racing thoughts disrupt desire. Sexual desire depends on mental presence. When your mind is stuck in worry, overthinking, or scanning for problems, it's hard to feel connected to your body or your partner. Anxiety pulls attention away from intimacy. Number 3, anxiety can create emotional distance. When libido changes, partners may misinterpret it as rejection. Meanwhile, the anxious partner may feel guilt or pressure. This cycle can create emotional distance, even when love is still strong. Number 4, regulation supports connection. Intimacy begins with nervous system regulation. Slowing breathing, reducing stress, improving sleep, and setting boundaries during overwhelming periods all support desire. Emotional safety helps physical closeness return. Number 5, open communication reduces shame. Talking honestly about anxiety and its impact removes guesswork. Instead of silence or self-criticism, share what you're experiencing. Vulnerability strengthens emotional connection, even when libido fluctuates. Anxiety affecting libido does not mean something is broken. It means your body is responding to stress. When stress decreases, connection often improves. At SDKare, our licensed providers support individuals and couples navigating anxiety, stress, and intimacy concerns. Through confidential telehealth care, we help you rebuild emotional connection and support healthy desire. You deserve both calm and connection. Support is available. Book an appointment with us at SDKare.com. SDKare. Simple, dedicated. Care for your mind, body, and relationships.